Hi there, so I'm going to be 42 this year. I've never had any kind of filler or injectables, but it is something I've been considering for the last year or so. So the area which concerns me is the hollowness in my cheeks, which I have. I feel this makes me look older and very tired at times. So I've been researching this and I've decided to go ahead and get a filler. Hi there, so here I am 30 minutes after the filler procedure. Um, so what she did first of all is she gave me an anaesthetic cream, so it wasn't too painful. I wouldn't say it was pain-free, I'd say it was a little bit uncomfortable, but not painful. So she started off using an injection here and here and here and here on the actual cheekbone. So you don't feel that much on the cheekbone because there's not that many, there's not a lot of fat there. And then she used a thicker needle called a cannula, and she kind of went in just under my mouth, here and here. You may be able to see there's a small scar, not scar but mark where the needle went in. That's going to disappear anyway. So the cannula goes under your skin, and then she kind of pushes the filler in, and then she changes the angle like that, and then she changed it again like that, and then she smooths it over. So that was the most uncomfortable thing, like the cannula actually, you can feel it going under your skin. I'd say uncomfortable, but not really painful, not really bad. And then she did the same thing on the other side, and that was it. So the whole procedure took 50 minutes. I paid 550 British pounds, and I'm really happy with the result. What I wanted to do was eradicate the kind of hollowness that I had in my cheeks, and you can see that that's been done, and it's been done in a really natural way. I was a bit scared that I was going to have like hamster cheek, big puffy cheeks, and everyone was going to notice what I'd had done, but I can still see my natural bone structure, and it just looks really natural. I feel fresher and younger, and it's been a success. So I do feel like I've been slapped in the face a few times. That's going to fade. And then you don't see the final result for a couple of weeks when the filler actually integrates with your own skin. So I'll make another quick update in a couple of weeks. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. So the lady who did my filler is called Rachel Fox. She's in High Wycombe in the UK. And the product that was used is called Teosyl. I don't know how you pronounce this, but that's the name of the filler. So yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm really delighted with the results. Hiya, so today's a 14-day mark after I had the cheek filler. The effect has gone down slightly. It's not as puffy and noticeable as 2 weeks ago, but it's still very natural and there's no hollowness at all, so I'm really happy with it. There was just one issue. I did find a hard lump just here. So I freaked out a little bit, but I did some research, and if you can feel the lump but you can't see it, as long as it's not infected or red or really painful, then the advice is to wait for the 14-day mark, because that's when the skin calms down. So luckily it's disappeared, the lump. I'm really happy with the filler. I would recommend anyone who has hollow cheeks to have filler. I think it's given me a lot of confidence. And I definitely will have more filler as I get older. It's really transformational. The only thing I think you've got to watch out for is that you have one area done and then you think, oh, maybe I have this done. I could have my lips done and I have my eyes done. And I think you can go overboard and it would look less natural. So I'm going to stop now. I'm happy with what I've had done. As I say, when I get older, I'll probably have more. But yeah, I'd recommend it. So thanks for watching.